Is there anything out there in terms of a supplement or a prescription that you recommend for people that would rival close to a deep sleep that you could get naturally, or is that almost impossible to do through some type of, separate substance?
That might make some intuitive sense. Vitamin D is another one, iron is another one, and melatonin is the final one. There are substances out there that you can take that will give you a natural sleep, but they're natural substances. So if people are deficient in magnesium, we know that magnesium has a proficient effect on sleep. I'm like, hold on a second. Let's make sure that your body isn't deficient in something that we know affects sleep. If it is, let's fix that deficiency first and see how your body reacts. Why add something else when it doesn't need to be added?
Are you struggling with sleepless nights, desperately searching for a cure? You're not alone. Celebrities like Lady Gaga and Justin Bieber have battled insomnia too. But what if the solution isn't a pill or a complicated remedy, but something simple and right on your kitchen shelf? A new study from the University of Michigan reveals that increasing your intake of fruits could be the key to better sleep, especially for young adults and women. Stay with us as we explore how these everyday fruits transform your nights according to Dr. Michael. Michael Breus, PhD, is a sleep expert with some impressive credentials. He's one of just 168 psychologists who passed the Sleep Medical Specialty Board without going to medical school. He got his BA in psychology from Skidmore College and his PhD in clinical psychology from the University of Georgia. For almost 25 years, Dr. Breus has been helping people get better sleep through his private practice. He's also a popular speaker and often appears in major media platforms to share his knowledge. Plus, he's written several bestsellers, including The Power of When, The Sleep Doctor's Diet Plan, Good Night, and Energize.
Hey everyone, this is Dr. Michael Breus, the Sleep Doctor. Have you ever used melatonin to help yourself get a good night's sleep? Nowadays, melatonin is practically a household name for its use as a natural sleep aid. Melatonin is a sleep-inducing hormone, often nicknamed the sleep hormone. It regulates your sleep-wake cycle and responds to light and darkness. It's produced in your gut and actually in most of your cells. The actual melatonin content of each food can vary depending upon a number of factors, including where and when the food was produced.
In today's video, alongside Dr. Michael, we'll explore 5 fruits highlighted in his book, Energize. We'll show how incorporating these fruits into your diet can not only improve your daily quality of life, but also significantly help you sleep better and say goodbye to insomnia.
Bananas are an amazingly healthy fruit. They contain melatonin, tryptophan, B6, and magnesium, which are all great for producing serotonin and helping you sleep.
Number 10. Bananas. Feeling stressed or struggling to sleep? Bananas might be your secret weapon to cure insomnia. Packed with magnesium, they help relax your muscles and ease anxiety. Plus, vitamin B6 in bananas converts tryptophan into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter that regulates your sleep cycle and boosts happiness. Need a quick energy boost? Bananas are perfect for improving vitality. They provide natural sugars for sustained energy, while their fiber content ensures slow digestion, keeping you fueled longer. Your brain thrives on glucose, and bananas deliver just the right amount to keep you sharp, especially during exams. So, the next time you're feeling stressed or worn out, reach for a banana and let it brighten your day.
Kiwis may improve sleep due to the fruit's high serotonin content. Serotonin is a substance crucial to many processes in the brain. Studies suggest that kiwis may help people with sleep disorders fall asleep more quickly, sleep longer, and wake up less often during the night.
Number 9. Kiwis. Originally grown in China, the kiwi has become a favorite fruit around the world. Imagine a fruit shaped like an egg, but covered in a light, fuzzy camel-colored skin. That's the kiwi. Even though its skin is fuzzy, you can eat it, and it has a tart taste. Inside, the kiwi has bright green flesh with a unique, pleasant texture. You'll also find rows of tiny black seeds, which are completely edible. Kiwis are like little nutrient powerhouses, packed with vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, and folate. They're known to benefit digestion, boost immune health, and even improve sleep and kill insomnia. One reason kiwis might help you get rid of insomnia is because they are high in serotonin. This important substance in your brain helps produce melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Additionally, the high levels of antioxidants and folate in kiwis contribute to their sleep-enhancing effects. Research shows that eating kiwis before bedtime might help people with sleep disorders. If you eat a kiwi before bed, you might fall asleep faster, sleep longer, and get an energy booster for next day tasks.
Tart cherries. As their name states, tart cherries are more sour than other sweeter cherries you find at the grocery store. Tart cherries are also rich in anti-inflammatory compounds that can keep you healthy.
Number 8. Tart cherries. Did you know there are over 100 types of cherries, each packed with healthy nutrients? Cherries are rich in vitamin C and potassium, which are great for your body. They come in two main types, sweet cherries and tart cherries. You can enjoy them in different ways, fresh, cooked, or as juice. If you're having trouble sleeping, tart cherries might be your new best friend. Studies have shown that eating tart cherries or drinking tart cherry juice could help you sleep better. This is because tart cherries have high amounts of melatonin and serotonin, which are chemicals that can make you sleep more soundly. Eating tart cherries might help you stay asleep longer throughout the night. Tart cherries improve vitality by providing a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can lead to better overall health and increased energy levels. Additionally, their high content of vitamins and minerals supports various bodily functions, enhancing physical performance and mental clarity. Number 7. Tomatoes. Sleep is crucial for our body because it helps produce important chemicals that control how we use energy. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies don't use energy as well as they should, and we might feel hungrier than usual. This can lead to weight gain and even obesity. Now let's talk about tomatoes. Even though we often think of them as vegetables, they are actually scientifically classified as fruits. Tomatoes are packed with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which is very good for both our body and our mind. Eating tomatoes, especially with their skins on, gives us extra nutrients that can help boost our energy levels. Additionally, the presence of potassium aids in maintaining electrolyte balance, crucial for proper muscle function and overall vitality. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple is more than just a tropical treat. It's a fruit with a special ability to help you sleep better. Pineapple has something called melatonin, which is a natural sleep helper, but that's not all. This juicy fruit also has serotonin and tryptophan. These are like the best friends of melatonin, helping it do its job better. And there's more good news. Pineapple is packed with vitamin C. Just 1 cup of pineapple gives you 79 milligrams of this vital nutrient. Plus, it contains magnesium, a mineral that helps your muscles relax. This can calm your nervous system and make it easier for you to relax and fall asleep. Together, these nutrients help you with insomnia-free, feel more relaxed, and avoid late-night snack cravings. While pineapple is a tasty way to boost your sleep, pineapple juice rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can boost your vitality and support overall health. Remember that having a mix of sleep-friendly foods in your diet is the best way to get a good night's rest. Number 5. Figs. Figs are pretty amazing when it comes to boosting your energy and helping you get a better night's sleep. Figs have been enjoyed since ancient times. Egyptian pharaohs loved them, and they were a favorite fruit in ancient Greece and Rome. Figs are a mineral powerhouse packed with potassium, magnesium, and calcium, essential minerals that help muscles relax and nerves calm down. This relaxation can really set the stage for a restful night's sleep. A fun fact for you all. Do you ever feel sleepy after Thanksgiving dinner? Yes, because the turkey you had in dinner contains tryptophan that helps your body produce serotonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. The same component is present in the figs, so eating figs could be your ticket to a more peaceful night's sleep and say goodbye to insomnia. Ever feel sluggish? Figs are loaded with fiber, which keeps your digestive system humming along smoothly. When your gut feels good, you feel good, and that can lead to more vitality throughout your day. They may be small, but figs are big on antioxidants. These little heroes fight off oxidative stress, which can zap your energy and disrupt sleep. Having glucose and fructose, it's a tasty way to keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. They've also got vitamins like vitamin K and B6, which are important for everything from blood clotting to metabolism. These vitamins support overall health and keep your body running smoothly. Whether fresh or dried, figs are incredibly versatile. They make a delicious addition to salads, yogurt, cheese plates, and even even desserts. There's no end to the ways you can enjoy them. Number 4. Apples. Apples can transform your sleep and supercharge your vitality. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples grown worldwide, from sweet Honeycrisps to tart Granny Smiths. There's a flavor for every palate and a nutritional boost in every bite. Apples are natural melatonin boosters, as they contain antioxidants like quercetin that promote the production of melatonin, helping you drift off peacefully and wake up feeling refreshed. Apples are packed with fiber, which slows down digestion and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption and less discomfort, which can help you sleep more soundly. Whether you like them crispy or juicy, apples are the best grab-and-go snack to get rid of insomnia and boost vitality. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are a juicy and delicious fruit packed with water, potassium, and vitamin C. These nutrients can boost your mood and reduce symptoms of stress, anxiety, and depression. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, also helps lower oxidative stress and fatigue, promoting vitality and better sleep. A study found that young men with higher vitamin C levels often have better moods and are less likely to feel confused, angry, or depressed. Oranges can be peeled and eaten whole, juiced for a refreshing beverage, or added to salads and desserts. Their vibrant flavor and versatility make them a delightful addition to any meal or snack. Orange juice, a popular breakfast drink, provides a lot of vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Some brands even add extra vitamin D and calcium, making it even more nutritious. These vitamins support your immune system and help keep you healthy. If you're dealing with insomnia, the stress-reducing properties of vitamin C might help you sleep better. Number 2. Papaya, the tropical powerhouse. Papayas. These vibrant fruits aren't just delicious, they're also incredible for improving your sleep and boosting your vitality. Papayas are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help your body produce melatonin and ultimately help you fight insomnia. With their enzyme papain, papayas aid digestion by breaking down proteins and keeping your gut happy, less bloating, allowing you to feel light and energized. Papayas are also packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C and B vitamins, which support your immune system and energy metabolism. They give you that extra boost without the crash later on. Like their tropical cousins, papayas have a high water content. Staying hydrated is essential for overall vitality, helping your body perform at its peak and keeping fatigue at bay. Bonus perk, calling out all the skin bees. Who doesn't like glowing skin? The vitamin C in papayas isn't just good for immunity, it's great for your skin too. It supports collagen production, keeping your skin glowing and vibrant, which can boost your confidence and overall sense of vitality. You may enjoy papayas fresh, in smoothies, or as part of a fruit salad. They're a tropical treat that adds flavor and nutrition to your day. Plus, their vibrant color and sweet taste make them a hit with kids and adults alike. It's nature's gift to help you feel refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the day. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are not just a trendy food. They're a nutrient-packed powerhouse that can help you feel vibrant and ready to take on the world. Not only are these creamy delights delicious, but they're also packed with benefits that can help you conquer insomnia and boost your vitality. Healthy fats equal happy sleep. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, like oleic acid, which not only support heart health but also promote brain function and improve mood. These fats help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day, preventing energy dips that can disrupt your sleep cycle. Did you know avocados contain even more potassium than bananas? This essential mineral helps regulate your nervous system, relax muscles, and support overall relaxation. A calm body and mind make it easier to drift off into a restful sleep. Avocados are loaded with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin E, and B vitamins. These nutrients support energy production, immune function, and cell repair, all crucial for maintaining vitality and feeling your best. Avocados can be enjoyed sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or whipped into guacamole. They add a creamy texture and satisfying flavor to any meal. Plus, They're a versatile ingredient that complements both savory and sweet dishes. To tackle insomnia and boost your energy for tomorrow, start by eating more fruits and vegetables, which are full of vitamins and taste great. Limit your caffeine and sugar intake, especially in the evening, and avoid large meals right before bed to ensure better sleep. If you're still struggling, don't hesitate to talk with your doctor for personalized advice. So, next time you're shopping, grab some healthy produce to enjoy both the delicious flavors and health benefits. If you found this info useful, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.